Hey, this is Amcan Tech, and in today's video, I will show you how to remove the battery from the Acer Aspire series, as well as remove RAM and replace the hard drive. So I already took out the battery. It's quite small, and it's not like a standard battery where there's a switch. This actually took me a bit of time to actually figure it out. To be honest, I've owned the laptop for over a year and I didn't even attempt to try it. Okay, let's put it back. It's supposed to slide in like that. I'm using a SIM card tool, but you could use a pen. And you'll see this thing. You basically push, and at the same time you could extract. I'm holding the camera, so I'm using one hand, sorry. And then you just pull out. And to remove the expandable storage, you unscrew this, which I pretty much did already. And then you need to snap it off. Show you. You pretty much pull it up with your fingers. I made it easier than it is because I already pretty much did it. This one has 12 gigabytes of RAM with 2 slots and 1 terabyte HDD, which you could definitely upgrade. For the RAM, you simply push out the 2 pieces and you remove. Just note, if you need to upgrade the RAM, you might need to update the BIOS also. And let's put it back. And you hear a click and then it's done. For the hard drive, I don't have a replacement one, so I'm not going to do it here. You unscrew this, and then you need to pull it out, and there's a few tabs. And that should be it. Just note that you should definitely unplug it from power and take out the battery just to play it safe. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if it's useful.